how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance wallet. So if you want to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance, all you have to do now, open Binance app. After you open the Binance, go to asset and copy the address. Go to deposit. So go and select USDT. So go and select the network. I will choose BNB and copy the address. After you copy the address of your USDT from Binance, now go back and open up now your Bitget. After you open the Bitget like this, now go and tap on this search bar and type in with. Type in with like this, it will give you an option of withdrawal. So if you type with like this now, it will give you this option withdraw. So select the withdraw. So from this option now, go ahead and choose USDT. So tap on this on-chain withdrawal. So from this option now, paste in the address that you copy. So now here is the address. Now tap on this option to choose the network. Here is Binance Merchant Network. So now type in the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. I will withdraw 25 USDT. If I tap on this withdraw button, now the money will be sent into my Binance wallet. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.